When applying a floor coating, correct preparation is key to a successful project. Rust-Oleum Moisture Stop is formulated to prevent moisture from coming through the surface by chemically altering the concrete. This is a required step if you have moisture issues in your floor. First, you need to check to see if you have moisture issues. This can be done by applying a 2 foot by 2 foot sheet of plastic to the floor. Tape down the edges with duct tape and let sit for 24 hours. If moisture is present, continue with the following steps. Vigorously shake the bottle for 30 to 45 seconds. Completely saturate the surface by pouring Moisture Stop directly onto the floor. Move the solution around the floor with a stiff bristle broom, working it into the floor. Using a hose, mist the floor surface with enough water to keep the floor wet for 30 to 45 minutes. Squeegee excess moisture from the surface. Rinse the floor's surface with water and squeegee dry. Now that you've completed the Moisture Stop steps, you're ready to move on to the next step, patching.